Hello children, in this video we are going to learn about the farm animals. Here we can pronounce and speak the name of the farm animals, starting with buffalo, B-U-F-F-A-L-O, buffalo. Buffalo, cow, C-O-W, cow. A cow. Cat, C-A-T, cat. It's a cat. Next, dog, D-O-G, dog. It's a dog. Goat, G-O-A-T, goat. I repeat, G-O-A-T. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. A horse. Donkey, D-O-N-K-E-Y, a donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Camel, C-A-M-E-L, a camel. C-A-M-E-L, camel. Pig, P-I-G, pig. It's a pig, P-I-G, pig. Thank you.
Do not forget to subscribe our channel for the latest videos. Bye-bye.